Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Ilyas and I am a digital marketing expert. I work online and offline both on digital marketing. Today I will show you how to transfer a business page ownership. So this is super easy. Those who don't know how to transfer it, so don't worry, I am here. I will step by step, I will guide you step by step how to transfer it. So we can transfer our business page ownership in two ways. Okay, first one is you have to come here to find out your uh, page which you want to transfer. Someone like you work on international market and you made a page for your client and you want to transfer its ownership. It's okay. So for this you have to come here, then you will find how many pages you have here one by one, and the page you want to transfer uh, ownership of your page, and you will select that page. Suppose I will transfer the pay ownership of this page. Okay, that's why I have to click here. Okay, I clicked on it, and the and I came here, and from here you will find lots of uh, options here. From here you will just click professional dashboard option. I clicked on it now. Okay, so I came another interface here, so I have to check again the option page access, from where I will give access to my client. So here finally I found page access here, so I am clicking on it, and now I came the final stage from where I will transfer my business page ownership to my clients. It's okay. That's why I have to come here and I have to click on it at new button. So I'm clicking on it, and uh, after clicking on that, I came here. I found this button. Next button, I have to click again on it. Okay. Now I have to select the name or the email the person I will transfer my business page. Okay, so the person I will transfer my business page ownership, I'm searching his name here. Okay, suppose I will uh, sorry MD Muslimuddin, the person I will transfer my business page ownership. Okay, Muslim Uddin. Suppose I will transfer this person. Okay, that's why I have to click on this name here. Okay, now the person I found here. Okay, now to uh, transfer the ownership of the page, finally I have to turn on this button. Okay, I turned on this button, and finally I have to click on this button. If I click give access button, then finally the access will go to the person which I shown here. Suppose this person, and if this person receives my request, then he will be final owner of this page. It's okay. So this is how you can transfer your page ownership to your client. So I think this video will be helpful for you if you are a beginner level learner. So uh, thank you very much to watch this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much to watch this video again. Allah Hafiz.